Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to change boomerang mode on Instagram story. Instagram provides its users with a bigger variety of boomerang effects like slow motion, duo, and echo. Follow these tips and you will figure out how you can use them. Go to your Instagram profile tab and hit the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the story option from the pop-up menu. As soon as the story camera screen opens, find the boomerang feature on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. Then tap the record button in order to record your content. Now press on the boomerang icon at the top of the screen and choose what boomerang mode you want to use. You can select from classic, slow motion, duo, and echo. After that, hit done in the upper right corner. Don't forget that you can also apply filters, insert stickers, draw or write something on your story if you want. Once your story is ready, click on the Send To button and share it to Instagram. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to change boomerang mode on Instagram story. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.